Oh, lalapit pa. Oh, Huwag na lalapit.
Happy birthday and wish ko sana maging healthy ka lang palagi. Yun lang. Thanks.
Okay, ano bang yung makakalimutan mo sa Kenny ng Ramir?
Actually, alam naman natin lahat. Napaka-jolly niya, napaka-positive thinker. Ayun, so...
So, Ryan, mga at kanilang travel buddies.
Ay, travel ba?
Tita Ramir's not always stay on the one place. So most of the time, if you check on his Instagram, Facebook, Tita Ramir travels a lot, right? Tita Ramir,
Yeah.
what was the last place that you have visited again?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Okay, now let's hear from the travel buddy. How Tita Ramir actually impacted or your lives? How did he touch your lives?
Madam, hawak ko ngayon ang beat. So, hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Thank
We
you.
met, Madam, I call her Madam. Yeah, during our Kazakhstan tour. So, we met at the lobby and I saw, my goodness, the shimmering, glittering attire. That's her, you know, that's the, and yeah, the signature of this Madam. So, during that time, really, we enjoyed a lot. We had a lot of talking in what is this, a cable. And one thing he said to me, Madam, dito ka na mag-asawa, kaya lang mamamalengke ka pababa. Grabe, too much, like, malamig talaga yung lugar. So sabi ko, sige, patayin mo na lang ako, ihulog mo na lang ako dito. Pero pag nagkakatuwa talaga kami, pag nagsasabi kami ni, aura, aura, lahat ng picture namin may aura. Itutulad niya raw para daw ako si Cabral. So yun, sige sabi ko sa kanya. So, happy birthday, Madam. Thank you sa pagkakasama natin. Hindi natin ito malilimutan. Malapit na rin ako maging 60, kaya alam ko yun.
Huwag niyo po
Thank
kalimutan
you.
mag-invite.
Next.
Mababa lang po ang talent fee namin. Lain lang po. Okay, what about you, Ryan naman? What is the unforgettable moment with you?